Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make simple oyster shell Christmas ornaments. They are perfect for a nautical themed Christmas tree or as beautiful handmade gifts. You can package them as a set in a decorative box or give them individually in an organza bag. But before we get started, let's go over the supplies you'll need. You'll need some oyster shells. I got mine from a local restaurant. White acrylic paint, white metallic paint, gold paint for the edges. You'll also need fake pearls or beads, twine or decorative ribbon, and a set of brushes. For sealing and gluing on the bead, I'll be using UV resin, and I like to apply it with a silicone brush. But the toothpick works too. I like to start by drilling a hole in each oyster shell so they can be hung. For this, I use a drill and a piece of scrap wood underneath to protect my table. You will also want to wear a mask so you are not breathing in any shell dust. I prefer to do this step first because sometimes the shells can crack, and I'd rather find that out now than after putting in all the work. Once your holes are drilled, make sure to clean your shells since they can be a bit dusty from the drilling. After they are clean, you can start painting. We'll begin with a base coat of white acrylic paint. Apply a thin coat of paint, and for the best coverage, I like to do 2 coats to hide any dark spots. To speed up the drying, I use a small fan. And here is a quick comparison so you can see the difference between 1 coat and 2 coats of paint. The shell on the left has 2 coats and the shell on the right has just 1. You can still see some darker spots showing through on this one, while the other has much better coverage. Once your shell is painted with the white base, you can start applying the metallic layer. Just like with the white acrylic paint, apply 2 coats, letting each one dry completely in between. And here is a side-by-side, so you can see the difference between a shell with just the white base and one with a metallic layer on top. Next, we are going to paint the edges using a metallic gold paint. I like to use this one. I also like to use an angled brush for this, as it makes it easier to follow the shape of the shell. Carefully paint along the edges, and you can make as thin or as thick edge as you like. It really comes down to a personal preference. For better coverage, I like to apply 2 coats here as well. The last step is applying the resin top coat and adding the pearl. You'll want to wear gloves so you are not handling the resin directly. Start by pouring a small amount onto the shell and spreading it out into a thin, even layer. I like to use a silicone brush for this, but a toothpick works just as well. You don't need much, just a nice thin layer. If you notice any bubbles, you can gently go over them with a torch, but this step is optional. Once the resin is spread out, Place your pearl on top and cure it with a UV light until the resin starts to harden. I don't leave it under the light for too long, just enough to set it. Then I like to place the shell outside in the sun to fully cure. Lastly, we'll add a ribbon or some twine so the ornament can hang nicely on your Christmas tree. I like to keep mine simple, so I'm just using twine. These make beautiful ornaments for a nautical-themed Christmas tree, and they also make great gifts. They are easy to make but look really elegant. You can keep it as a single ornament or create a full set. I hope you enjoyed this video and feel inspired to give this project a try. Until next time, happy crafting!